Good morning. Good morning. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I open the window. I open the window. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I eat toast and eggs. I eat toast and eggs. I check my phone. I check my phone. I am ready for the day. I am ready for the day. I leave the apartment. I leave the apartment. I walk to work. I walk to work. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later.
Please like, share and subscribe for more English videos.